this video, we'll cover alignment styles. Styles are basically how an object in Civil 3D is displayed. For example, for this style, we selected the proposed style. It's a style called proposed. And this style appears in green. So alignment styles can be found here at the settings tab of the tool space. If I expand on alignment, you can see alignment styles there. We can create a new style by right-clicking and going to new, or we can also edit an existing style, right? What we could also do is click on the alignment, right-click, and go to alignment properties. And here at the information tab, we can see the object style, and it's the proposed style. I can copy this style and edit and create a new style. So copy current selection. Here at the information tab, I can name the new style. Let me call it new alignment style road -1. And here we can now change the display of how this style looks like. For example, for the lines, I can leave them as green color. For the curves, I can turn them to magenta. And if there are spirals, we can also turn them to a different style. And if there are warning symbols, if we violate a certain design criteria, the warning symbol will be shown and it will be white in color. And I'm okay with this. So I'll just apply and click on OK. And we apply the style that we've just created. And as you can see now, the curves have changed to the magenta style, but the lines are still in green. If you want to change this style to a different color, you can go to edit alignment style, and this same style that we've created, the existing style, you can change that style. Example, let me change the line color to this side. And there you go, you can see the style has changed from green to cyan. And that's how you create an alignment style.